Hello, this is Jeff with Truck and Trailer, your capital for commercial vehicle sales, service, and secure truck parking. Today we're looking at a 2022 Ford E350 powered by the 7.3-liter V8 gas engine with only 43,000 miles on the clock. Back here in the business section, we have a 15-foot Morgan aluminum cargo box. It is equipped with plywood-lined walls, E-track, LED lighting, and an aluminum loading pull-out ramp. Keep in mind that we do offer airport pickup, competitive financing, nationwide extended warranties, and coast-to-coast delivery. If we can help you with your next box truck, give us a call at 405-912-5800 or see our entire inventory online at Truck-n-Trailer.com.